Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to book a flight on WIZZ Air. First, open Google Chrome on your device and search for WIZZ Air in the search bar. Now click on official WIZZ Air website from the search results. Here you will see a booking section. Start by selecting your origin city or airport from the drop-down menu. Then select your destination city or airport. Next, choose your departure date from the calendar. If you're booking a round trip, enter your return date as well. Also, specify the number of passengers traveling with you. After entering all the required details, click on the search button. Here you will find a list of available flights based on your search criteria. Now browse through the options and select the flight that best suits your schedule and budget. Click on Select button next to your preferred flight. Once you have selected your flight, click on Continue. You will see a summary of your booking, including the total cost. Next, you can choose to add WIZZ Smart Services if you wish. Click on WIZZ Smart to add it to your booking. Then agree to the terms and conditions by checking the appropriate box and click on Continue. Here, you need to enter the passenger details. Start by entering the first name and last name of each traveler. Then select the gender for each passenger as either male or female. If you or any of the passengers require special assistance at the airport, make sure to indicate that in the provided section. Next, select if you want to add checked-in baggage to your booking. Once all the details are filed in, click on Continue to proceed to the payment section and complete your booking. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.